Hello students, today we will study another property of materials, but before that, you might have played the game of hide and seek. Think of some places where you would like to hide so that you are not seen by others. Why would you choose those places? Would you have tried to hide behind a glass window? Obviously not, as your friends can see through that spot. Now, today we will study about transparency. This is our topic. But before that, I will show you three pictures. So let's begin. This is the picture 1, students. Now, in this picture A, can you name the things which has been placed inside these containers? Yes, you can easily. You will say these are the almonds, these are the roasted grams, these are beans, and these are peas, here soya bean, and many other pulses. So, in this picture A, you can clearly see what these boxes contain. Okay, let's move to the picture B. Now you have been assigned the same task. You have to tell what is inside these boxes. This time it's little bit confusing. We can see there is something but not so clearly. We can assume this is some almonds. This look like lentil or pigeon pea, probably. So in this picture we are not so sure what these things are inside these boxes. These images are not clear. Okay, let's move to the third one. Your task is same. You have to tell what is inside this box. This set of box is quite confusing. You cannot tell what inside them because we are not able to see anything which is kept inside. So we have seen three pictures and now we can conclude that there are some objects through which we can see clearly. Okay, there are some other objects through which we cannot see that much clearly, but something is visible. And the third category is of those objects through which we are not able to see anything. On this basis, students, we can classify object into three categories, which are transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. The objects through which we can see clearly are known as transparent. For example, glass, water, air, etc. The objects through which we can see partially or not very clearly are known as translucent object, like oily patched paper and the container which we discussed earlier, colored polythene too. The objects through which we cannot see, they are called opaque objects. For example, wood, wall, trees. These are the objects across which we cannot see anything. And the third container were also opaque. Now we have understood these three kind of objects. Now look here. Bujo is looking through opaque, transparent and translucent materials. Can you tell which one? So students, this one is transparent, this is translucent, and last one, this one is opaque. As transparent things allow us to see clearly through them, translucent are not so clear, and opaque we cannot see across them. Look at the picture, students. Is this picture familiar to you? You must have seen such picture in a shop. Shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets, and other eatables in transparent containers of glass or plastic so that buyers can see it easily. So it's very easy for you to see the things which has been placed inside them and decide what you want to buy. That's all, students. We have studied the topic transparency, and now we can classify objects on the basis of their transparency. Okay, that's all for today. Keep learning and keep asking.